Welcome to Utter Mind. The Psychology of Money, the revolutionary book, Master Your Money. The book The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel is a deep dive into the ways in which people think about, relate to, and use money. The author, who is a well-known financial commentator, has written a book that is both informative and engaging, drawing on a wide range of sources from psychology, economics, and personal experience. One of the key themes in the book is the idea that money is not just about numbers and figures, but about emotions and behaviors. The author explores the various ways in which people think about money, and how these thoughts can influence their actions. For example, he discusses how people often equate their worth as a person with the amount of money they have, and how this can lead to feelings of inadequacy and insecurity if they feel they do not have enough money. Another important theme in the book is the idea that money can be both a source of stress and a source of happiness. The author explores the ways in which money can be a major source of stress and anxiety, particularly if people feel they do not have enough. He also discusses the Easterlin paradox, which states that beyond a certain threshold of income, additional money does not lead to additional happiness. The author also talks about the impact of money on mental health and how financial stress can have a negative impact on well-being. Conversely, how feeling financially secure is associated with better mental health outcomes. The book also explores the role of money in social status and how people often use money as a way to signal their status to others. This can lead to a preoccupation with material possessions and a desire to keep up with others. This theme is linked to the idea of impulse control, where people often have a hard time controlling their impulses when it comes to spending money. This can lead to overspending, debt, and financial problems. The author also delves into the topic of decision-making and how people tend to make different decisions depending on how money is framed. He uses the pain of paying phenomenon as an example, where people feel more pain when paying for something with cash than when paying with a credit card. He also discusses how people often trade money for time, for instance, paying for convenience or for someone else to do a task for them. This can lead to feelings of guilt or anxiety if people feel they are not using their time well. The book also covers the importance of trust when it comes to money and how people tend to trust others who have money more than those who don't. The author also talks about financial literacy and how people's understanding of money and ability to manage it is shaped by their financial literacy. He highlights that people with higher financial literacy tend to have better financial outcomes. Finally, the author concludes the book by discussing the importance of having a healthy relationship with money. He emphasizes that money can be a powerful tool that can be used to improve one's life, but it is not the only thing that matters, and it can't buy happiness. The author also stresses the importance of teaching children and young adults about money, and how to manage it, so that they can have a healthy relationship with money and make informed financial decisions in the future. Overall, The Psychology of Money is an excellent book that offers a deep understanding of the ways in which people think about, relate to, and use money. The author's writing style is engaging and easy to understand, making the book accessible to a wide range of readers. The book provides valuable insights into the complex and multifaceted topic of the psychology of money and is a valuable resource for anyone interested in understanding more about the subject. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Utter Mind.